All right, let's dive right in. Over the next few minutes, we're going to break down how Google's brand new AI, Gemini 3, is set to totally change the game for how we analyze stocks. Let's get to it.
So, before we even get into what Gemini can do, let's talk about a huge problem that I'm sure every single investor faces. Just the insane amount of research you have to do. I mean, whether you're a pro analyst or just starting out, you've definitely felt swamped by all the data.
You know that feeling, right? It's like you're literally drowning in data. Every single quarter, a new wave of reports and filings just crashes down. And trying to find the important stuff, well, it's a massive job.
And that feeling of overload, it comes from the sheer volume of work. I mean, think about the actual grind. You're trying to get through these 100-page, super dense 10K filings. You're listening to hours and hours of earnings calls. And on top of all that, you have to keep up with a 24/7 stream of news. It's this manual, super time-consuming work that's absolutely essential to do good analysis.
Okay, so how on earth are you supposed to deal with this mountain of data? Well, this is where a powerful new AI co-pilot comes into the picture. One designed for this exact challenge, Gemini 3.
Now, it's really important to get this straight. Gemini is not some crystal ball that's going to tell you what stocks to buy or sell. Nope. The best way to think about it is like having the smartest, fastest research assistant you could ever imagine. One that can read, listen, and pull insights together at an incredible speed.
So what's the magic trick here? What's its superpower? It all comes down to this, a 1 million token context window. Now, in simple terms, that's basically its short-term memory. And a bigger memory means it can process a ton of documents all at once without forgetting the details from page 1 when it gets to page 1000.
So what does that actually mean for you? Well, get this. It means it can process over 1,500 pages of documents in one go. You can literally upload 3 to 5 years of a company's entire financial history. We're talking 10Ks, quarterly reports, the whole shebang, and Gemini can analyze it all in a single session.
And here's where it gets even cooler. It's not just about reading text. Gemini is what they call multimodal, which is just a fancy way of saying it understands different kinds of information at the same time. It can look at the charts in a slide deck, listen to the audio from an earnings call, and read the press release, all at once, and it can actually connect the dots between all of them. It's pretty incredible.
Okay, so that's the tech, the theory. But let's get to the good stuff. How does this actually work in the real world? And, more importantly, how does it save you a massive amount of time?
I mean, just take a look at this. It's a game changer. An analyst might spend 20 to 30 hours manually breaking down a company's quarterly earnings. With Gemini, that exact same deep dive can be done in just 15 to 30 minutes. This isn't just a small improvement. It completely transforms the workflow. It frees you up to think about strategy, cover more companies, or whatever else is a better use of your time.
And you're probably thinking, this sounds complicated, but it's not. The whole process is shockingly simple. You just upload the documents, the transcript, the slides, the press release, and then you start asking questions. What were the key metrics? Did management sound optimistic? Did their guidance change? And in just a few moments, boom, you get a summary with all the key takeaways right there.
And look, don't just take my word for it. The research on this is really clear. For anyone working in finance, getting this earnings workflow down is the single biggest impact thing you can do with this technology.
And the numbers really back this up. The performance here is, frankly, pretty staggering. Gemini can pull data straight from charts with 92% accuracy and snatch key numbers from an earnings call with 95% accuracy. For professional teams, that adds up to a huge 35% cut in the time they spend on these jobs.
Okay, but with all this power, we have to have a reality check, right? Like any powerful tool, you've got to know its limits. To really use Gemini safely and get the most out of it, we need to be crystal clear about what it can't do.
So let's see how Gemini actually stacks up against the other big players. As you can see, its main advantages are that absolutely massive context window and the fact that it can access the web in real time. So while ChatGPT is amazing for coding, or Claude is better for digging through huge libraries of documents, Gemini's real sweet spot is right here, synthesizing multiple recent documents for something like an earnings report.
Now, this next point is probably the single most important thing to get your head around. All of these AI models can hallucinate. Basically, they can make up information that sounds plausible but is totally false. And this isn't a bug that's going to be fixed someday. It's just baked into how these things work. So what's the solution? How do you use this safely? Well, it really comes down to 3 simple rules. Rule 1, always
Always double-check any numbers against the original document. Rule 2. Think of it as a tool for summarizing and connecting ideas, not as a single source of truth. And Rule 3. Never, ever rely on it to predict stock prices. It just can't see the future.
All right, so now that we know what it's great at and what to watch out for, let's talk strategy. Let's build your playbook for actually getting started.
Basically, there are two main ways you can jump in, depending on who you are. For individual investors, the Gemini Advanced subscription is a fantastic, pretty affordable option. You can just manually upload documents and get quick summaries. For professional teams, though, the real power comes from using the API to build it into your own systems, which can completely automate the process and spit out first-draft reports for your analysts. And for those pro teams, is it worth the investment? Well, the early numbers are saying a big yes. Pilot programs are already reporting a 3x return on investment, which is just incredible. It's all driven by those huge time savings and letting analysts do more valuable work.
So I want to leave you with one big question to think about. As AI takes over more and more of the grunt work of research, what's the most valuable skill for an investor to have? Well, it's shifting. It's moving away from just finding information and toward asking the right questions, being able to critically judge the AI's answers, and ultimately making that final human judgment call. That right there is the new skill. That's the future of investing.